Happy New Year to you all. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fantia, and if today is the first time here, darling, you're welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the post notification bell to always get notified whenever I post a new video. And if you are a returning subscriber, don't forget to go click the post notification bell to always get notified whenever I post a video. Thank you all for joining me today. I love you all. So quickly, let me say thank you to all my returning subscribers. Thank you all so much. I really appreciate all your support and all your love. And please keep helping me share my link. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, that we are doing it here. You get it? So that she can join the family. Let's build this channel together. And thank you, and God bless you as you do so. So let's get into today's tutorial. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial, and we are going to be concentrating more on the shadow. Yeah, this very shadow look or whatever. So if you want to see how I get to achieve this, you definitely want to keep on watching.
Seduction. 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 Seduction.
So guys, I really hope that was helpful and you learned something new. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share, comment, let me know what you think about this video, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I love you all so much, and I'll see you on my next video. Ciao. Bye.